Hasegawa Esso Super Delta 1993 ECR Piancavallo Winner from Haribo. It's a hell of a mouthful, but let's see what's inside. Alright, first things first, body in black. Really pretty body on these cars, of course. And then a huge bag of screws. Let's see what's inside here. Tire decals, roll cage sprue, and exhaust. Interior sprue, tub, brakes, dashboard. It's got a lot of detail on the dashboard, it's cool. And seats, 4 wheels, chassis, 4 more wheels, figure that out, and then the drivetrain parts. Let's see, wing, front grille, another steering wheel, glass, and a little bit of PE by the looks of it. Let's take a look at that. Let's see. Open this like a Neanderthal. Alright. One piece of glass. The main glass, and here's the windows with a little bit of a scratch on the glass. Right there and right there, quite a bit of scratch. That's not great. Oh well, we'll deal with that. And then tires, some random red fabric, no idea. Some a little bit of PE. And let's see. Here's the decal sheet. Quite a few decals. Not as bad as I thought. But we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's see how this turns out. Thank you. And here is the final model. Worked on this for quite a few months actually, on and off. It was a super fiddly, overcomplicated build in my opinion. If you don't like decals, stay the hell away from this thing. Pretty happy with it. Not gonna enter any competitions, that's for sure. But overall, looks good. It'll look good in the display case. Let me know your thoughts, and as always, thanks for watching everybody. Bye bye.